Happy Saturday! Y'all, the temperature is not as hot as it's been, so that's a blessing. So I went to Albertsons. I hadn't been to Albertsons in so long. Y'all know Albertsons were bought out by Kroger. But I hadn't been in a long time, but some of my items didn't ring up correctly. Anyway, so they had these Lay's chips $1.99, which these at the dollar store are actually like $3.29, I think. So I usually get all original, but I switched it up this time. I got one original, one hickory barbecue, but they still wavy. My fave. I got these Fritos, but they didn't ring up on sale. They rang up, all right, y'all, I had to switch my battery up real quick. Okay, so, but anyway, these two Frito pies, Fritos, they charged me $3.98 for the, I'm sorry, $6.98. That was actually my error. There was a limit of 3. So I did go back in the store and they did give me an extra $1.50, but there was a limit of 3 with the Just For You app at Albertsons. For these two, and they should have been $3.98, but I noticed where it said the coupon was $3, it should have been $3 each, and they did it as one. So I think that's an error in their the way they got it set up on the computer. I'm making a chuck roast really soon. Y'all know I do my roast like stew with the carrots and potatoes. So I got my baby carrots. These were $1 at Albertsons, and so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I got some of these in the freezer from Sam's, but I love them so much. Now Sam's is real fresh. This is okay too. This is pretty fresh too. But I got them because you can actually put this in stir fry. I got a few casserole dishes that I'm gonna try. So I got more ways of making it than just as a side vegetable. So that's why I bought them. And they're 10 for 10. I'm gonna actually go and get some more, but I'm gonna only get what I can keep in my freezer. So I'm gonna cook up some of it and then I'm gonna go get some more. They had it. This is one of the items that didn't ring up right. They had this lean ground beef, right? Okay, so see, it says $3.99. Well, usually, it was not. The $3.99 is the sale price if you don't do the Just For You. You know, at Albertsons they had a Just For You. So when I did that, this should have been $2.97, but it didn't ring up right. So that one was wrong and this one was wrong. So she had to give me my money back. Yeah, I ended up paying like $6 for one. I think it's $7 for the other. They had the Fresh Express vegetable, the spinach and the salads and stuff. I got the spinach because I'm gonna do me some smoothies. Substitute. Maybe I do come home and do a smoothie for lunch, whatever. I don't know, but I'm gonna do that. So this keeps really well in the freezer. Just put it in the freezer bag and put it in the freezer like that. I got this $1.99 for this chicken breast. I'm sorry, thighs. I got the boneless, skinless thighs. So one day I'm gonna do the chipotle bowl, and then here is my other. I'm sorry, I didn't show you the one. So here is one of my chuck roasts. See here, it say $4.99, but it's actually $2.97. So she had to give me the difference back with that. Well, no, it rang up right. It rang up right. And then this roast here, I think that one ended up being $10. The regular $29. This one here, regular $29. Ended up, I think I paid $13. So that's the one I'm gonna cook. Y'all know I cook my. Really and truly, every piece of meat I cook, if it's not fried, I like it to go in the oven, whether I make gravy or not, because low and slow in the oven makes a good gravy, and it's very, very, very good. I've never made my gravies other than liver on the stove. All of my gravies have always been in the oven. That's how I do it. All right, and so this candy got a job fair Monday, but this is not going to the job fair. This is actually going to my candy dish. I hadn't had it in a while. This pack was like $10. This got some good candy in here though. All right, y'all. I just want to show y'all what I got. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Hey y'all, so I had to make a quick run to another store after church today. So I got the Zatarain's rice. I haven't been able to find it. I finally got me some. I got me a pineapple because with the spinach I bought yesterday, I'm going to make me a smoothie for lunch. On weekends, one of my meals is going to be a smoothie. I usually fast, so maybe my lunch will be a smoothie. Not very much pineapple, lots and lots of greens, strawberry. And I got this pomegranate drinking pack I'm going to use. I like pomegranate and there's no sugar. I got the unsweetened gold tea because it didn't have the pure leaf, which is my favorite. But these were, the pure leaf, I'm sorry, they had them, but they were $8.48. And I substituted because these were $5 $3.98, so I saved $6. I got those. I got my lettuce because usually on Sunday I fix a big meal, but I had taken out some chicken breast and I'm gonna make the honey mustard chicken sandwiches today. So there's my lettuce and here's my tomato. So that's what we're having for dinner today. And how I usually cook on Sunday for Monday, I got a career fair tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cook my roasts, which really is gonna be like a beef stew, but I'm gonna actually cook that in my crock pot. So instead of having to come home tomorrow and actually cook, because I don't like cooking on Mondays and it's a meeting day too. So what I do, I normally just fix enough on Sunday for Monday. But if it's a sandwich, I'm going to have to cook, but I'm going to actually utilize my crock pot. So when I get out of work, I'll come in and do some purple hull peas real quick and cabbage. And I got these sweet potatoes with 77 cents a pound. So I got 2 of those. I got my Bart's milk. I got my hamburger buns for my honey mustard chicken sandwiches today. I got cabbage to go with my meal for tomorrow, which I'm cooking. Well, it should be Sunday dinner, but it's going to be Monday and Tuesday. I got 1 bell pepper, and I got four apples because tomorrow I won't be able to have lunch in my office because I'm going to be at a job fair. And I got some, y'all know I like to add this to my unsweet tea. And I got me some Imperial. I like Country Crock, but I'm going to have to order that from Sam's. I decided against going to Sam's today after church. I wanted to go ahead and come home. So, alright, that's all I have. Not very much. I just wanted to share the things that I bought. And y'all, this was $50. Yeah. Because just the rice was $14. But why was this $50? 14 and 12, that's 26 right there. But the rest of this was $26, 50. I think it was 50. I didn't look at my tickets. I just thought about that. What else did I get? But then again, the milk was $6. All right, y'all. Thank God for provision. Y'all be blessed. Much love. Bye.